In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automated follow-ups in Attio. By the end, new leads will be enrolled into your email sequence automatically, saving you time and ensuring no one slips through the cracks. First, log into your Attio account. Before building the automation, make sure you already have an email sequence ready for new leads. I'll be using a cold outreach email sequence as the example, so open Automations, go to Sequences, and confirm that your cold outreach sequence looks good and is active. Now head to Automations, open Workflows, and create a new workflow. Workflows are Attio's no-code automation canvas, where you connect a trigger to one or more actions. Give the workflow a clear name. Let's call it Cold Outreach Workflow, so your team can find and maintain it easily. Set the trigger to record created. This means the workflow will run whenever a new record is added. Choose companies as the object the trigger should watch, since new companies entering your database will kick off outreach. Back on the canvas, add a new block and select Create or Update Record. This action will either create a person if none exists, or update one if it does, preventing duplicates. Set the object to people and use email addresses as the matching attribute, so Attio can identify the correct contact. Confirm the Create or Update Record setup, using your leads as the source. Next, click the plus icon to add an action and choose Enroll in Sequence. This tells Attio to place the matched person straight into your email sequence. Select your cold outreach sequence. For the recipient, click Use Variable, then navigate through Record, Company, Person, Contacts, and choose Record ID. This path dynamically grabs the right contact linked to the company that triggered the workflow. For the sender, click Use Variable again and select Created By. This ensures the emails appear to come from the user who added the lead, which typically improves reply rates and ownership. Publish the workflow and confirm. To reinforce the dynamic references, click Use Variable, choose Created Record, and once again navigate through Leads and then Contacts to ensure the enrollment points to the newly created contact. Publish one more time and confirm. That's it. You logged in, verified your sequence, built a workflow with a record-created trigger on companies, created or updated the related person by email, enrolled that contact into the cold outreach sequence, set a dynamic recipient and sender, and published the automation. Your follow-ups will now run on autopilot the moment new companies are added. If this was helpful, subscribe for more.